Why your business needs the AI game plan from aibusinessstrategist.org. Hi there, I'm Amanda Bennett. Have you ever felt like your business could be running smoother, but you're not sure where to start? Maybe you're spending too much time on small tasks, struggling to find new customers, or wondering how your competitors are growing faster than you. Well, here's the truth. Business is changing fast, and AI, artificial intelligence, is leading the way. But here's the problem. Most businesses don't have a plan for using AI. They try different tools, hoping something works, but without a strategy, AI won't help as much as it could. That's why today, I want to talk about why your business needs an AI game plan, a clear, step-by-step way to use AI the right way, so you can save time, grow faster, and stay ahead of the competition. Let's dive in. Why AI alone isn't enough. You need a plan. AI is everywhere. Chatbots, automated marketing, smart inventory tracking. But here's what most people are getting wrong. They use AI without a strategy. They buy expensive tools that don't fit their business. And they waste time and money on automation that doesn't bring results. It's like trying to cook a meal without a recipe. You throw in random ingredients and hope it tastes good. But a great meal starts with a great plan, and a successful AI-powered business starts with a great AI strategy. What is the AI game plan? The AI game plan is a step-by-step roadmap to help your business. It helps identify the right AI tools for your business needs. It helps you use AI to fix your biggest business challenges. And it helps you have the right AI to automate the right tasks that actually save you time. And helps you track results and adjust for your maximum success. It's not about using AI tools, every AI tool out there. It's about using the right AI tools in the right way to make your business stronger and more efficient. So let's look at how to do this. Step 1. Find your business's biggest challenges. Before using AI, ask yourself these questions. What takes up too much of my time? Where am I losing customers? What's stopping my business from growing? AI works best when it solves a real business problem. Too many customer questions? AI chatbots can answer them for you. Spending hours on social media? AI can schedule posts and track results. Losing customers after they visit your website? AI can personalize emails to bring them back. Once you know where AI can help the most, you'll be able to choose the right tools instead of wasting time on things that don't matter. Step 2, pick the right tools for your business. Not all AI tools are created equal. What works for a bakery might not work for a real estate agent. And let's face it, there is over 50,000 AI tools and platforms out there and growing every day. So choosing is not an easy task. But let's give you some examples of how AI can help different types of businesses. Let's say retail and online stores. You got Tidio, and it's an AI chatbot, and it answers customer questions 24/7. Or Klaviyo, an AI email marketing. It sends personalized emails to boost your sales. Or Zoho Inventory, which predicts when to restock your best-selling products. What about a service-based business? You could use AI scheduling assistant like Calendar AI, which books appointments automatically. You could use ChatGPT for business, it helps you write emails, reports, and blog posts. Or HubSpot AI CRM, which keeps track of customer interactions. And here's some for any type of business. QuickBooks AI manages finances and forecasts your cash flow. Facebook lookalike audiences finds new customers that look just like your best customers. And AI social media tools like Buffer and Canva AI create schedules and posts for you. The key: start with one tool that solves your business challenge first. Step 3. Automate and optimize to save time. AI isn't just about saving time, it's about working smarter. Instead of doing everything manually, AI helps business automate daily tasks so they can focus on the bigger picture. AI can handle customer service so you don't have to answer the same questions over and over. AI can send follow-up emails so you don't lose customers. And AI can track your best-selling products so you never run out of stock. Imagine freeing up to 5 or 10 hours of your week. What could you do with that extra time? Step 4. Track your AI results and adjust. AI isn't set and forget it. It's a tool that keeps learning and improving. That means you need to track your results and make small changes to keep getting better. Are customers using the AI chatbot? If not, maybe it needs a better response. Are AI-powered ads working? If not, adjust the targeting. Is AI making your business run smoother? If not, try a different tool. The best businesses don't just use AI, they make sure it's actually helping them grow. My final thoughts: why you need the AI game plan now. Let's recap why the AI game plan is so important. AI alone isn't enough. You need a strategy. Start by finding your biggest business challenge, then choose the right AI tools that actually help your business. Automate the tasks to save time and focus on growth, and track the results and keep moving. AI is not just a trend, it's the future of business. And those who use it the right way will be the ones who succeed. So, what's one thing in your business that AI could help with? Let me know in the comments. And if you want your own customized AI strategy, please get in touch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.